has better abs, you or Marky Mark?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Was that one on there, or you just decided to pop that?
No, it's on there. Well, I was gonna do the whole which burger and then get to the Wahlburger, but you're a true friend. I respect
You
that.
know me too well.
I know. All right. What were you thinking when Kawhi hit that shot last year?
Fuck. Like, and the crazy part is, when it hit the rim, I was underneath it, and I
know. I've seen the picture.
This shit is going in.
Did you cry?
Oh god.
No.
Okay. What Bulls record set by Michael Jordan did you break?
There's a correct answer.
Mm-hmm.
What Bulls? Points and a half?
Yeah. 40.
40.
All right, here we go. Basketball question. Most underrated player you've ever played with?
With?
Yeah.
Okay. Most underrated player that I've ever played with would have to be, damn, Jeff T.
Okay. Good one.
T.
Good one. Most overrated player you ever played against?
It could be at any level?
Yeah.
I would say Kyle Singler whenever he was in college at Duke.
Good one.
Good one. Really good one.
That's fucked up, but funny. All right, toughest player for you to guard?
Kevin Durant.
Okay, and now for this next question,
He's ginormous.
I'm gonna phone in a friend.
Oh,
Special.
Hey, what's up? It's JJ. Besides me, who's the best white guy that's ever guarded you? The best white defender?
Could you hear it?
Hate JJ for that. Yeah, I heard it.
Shout out JJ. What's up, JJ?
For one, I'm mad at him for cutting his hair like that, and then I think he cut Knox's hair. Like,
Yeah, he
why
did. I
have
saw
to-
it. This quarantine life.
Um,
About to be you in a minute.
I don't know.
I don't know. I got to pass on that one. I got
But
to
like,
think about
okay,
it. I
I know
never
people
thought
think
about
they're
it.
bad. Who's like the best bad one?
Is it like none? Just like none.
Tyler Hero.
Okay. I gotta admit. So, whenever they put a white girl on me, I get pissed. But then sidebar, I'm also just like, ooh,
Mhm.
look at my chops. That's a
And
true
what's funny
story.
is, I was talking to Tyler the other day, and he said the same thing. Like,
When they put a white guy in there.
yeah, he saw the quote. He was like, "Man, bro, I feel the same way." I was like, "Tyler, shut up." What are you doing?
Tyler, he's confused.
I'm with Tyler. I feel the same way.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Is it irrational confidence or actual confidence?
Actual.
Okay.
Actual.
Yeah, I'm like,
What-
there might not be a difference. It's just like,
What do you want to improve on in your game?
Truthfully, I wanna get better at leading all people. I think I got one main way, and I just want to cut you out. You can do it. That's it. That's all I got.
But so not everybody responds to that.
So I've learned.
All right. What sport do you suck at?
I don't think there is one.
There's the actual confidence.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
What street did you grow up on? What street name? Kyle
Hustler.
said left hand. You need to work on your left. Kyle's always on me about layups and shit. I'm like, if I don't, what? Like, I don't need this.
Kyle never uses his left. He will pivot 5 times to get out of using his left hand.
Oh shit. So yeah, street name.
Huffman.
Huffman. Okay. What's your first? Do you have your pets?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your first pet's name?
Well, mine personally, Sarabi.
Sarabi. Huffman Sarabi. That's your drag queen name.
That's your
I
drag
don't know if you
name.
knew that.
welcome
I
to
do
the
not.
stage.
I wish I would have known that, so I would have thought of something cool.
That's
All
pretty
right.
good, though. It's distinguished.
Neymar or Pogba?
I knew this was coming. You can't do that, though.
No more passes, by the way.
Yeah.
Come on. You get
You
3
use all the
passes.
passes.
It's like 3 strikes.
No. You got to answer some of these.
I'm going with Neighbor.
Okay. Ocho Cinco or OBJ?
Ocho Cinco.
All right. Travis Diener or Steve Novak?
I'm playing against him or I'm playing with him? Or
No,
who's better?
between the two. Between those two. Who are you picking?
Novocaine.
Okay. Novocaine or Wes Matthews?
Huh. Novocaine.
Novocaine or Marcus Howard?
Novocaine.
Oh my God. Novocaine or Jay Crowder?
Ooh, Jay Crowder.
Okay. Jay Crowder or Doc
Hey,
Rivers?
and look, if Jay wasn't on my team, I'm picking Novocaine. I'm picking Novocaine.
Yeah.
I mean, he was
Throw
just
that out
hitting
there.
threes the other day. They had like a whole insanity marathon. Anyways, okay. Jay Crowder or Doc Rivers?
As a player,
Mm-hmm.
let's go with. I ain't never seen Doc play in college, but I heard it was nice. So for that reason, I'm going with Jay Crowder.
Jay Crowder? Okay. Jay Crowder or D Wade?
Jay Crowder. All right. Next
Oh my
question.
God. Fine. Jay Crowder or you? I mean,
Next.
the next question was going to be who has better wine, you or D Wade?
I mean, D Wade has his own wine, so he wins until I get my own.
You're on the
Then,
clock.
love him
All right.
up.
We got 5 more.
Five
Excluding
more.
me. Favorite WNBA player?
Stewart.
Excluding Megan. Favorite soccer player? Women's
Marta.
soccer player.
Marta.
Marta?
So good. Same.
All right. We usually do a different version of this game, but we've changed it up. So here are the 3 options.
Mm-hmm.
Netflix and chill,
Mm-hmm.
wife them up,
Mm-hmm.
or ghost them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Here are the 3 names. Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande, Beyonce.
Now, it's one, and one, or I get to
Yeah.
be like, I
You
can
got
ghost
1 you're
all
going to
3.
Netflix and chill, 1 you're going to wife, and 1 you're going to ghost.
All right, tell me the names again. Y'all are
Taylor
setting me up.
Swift.
Taylor
Ariana
Swift,
Grande, Beyonce.
Beyonce, and Ariana Grande.
Mm-hmm.
I would Netflix and chill with Taylor Swift. I don't want nobody coming after me, so I'm ghosting Beyonce.
It's a good choice.
And-
Yeah.
right,
You
right,
learned the hard
right,
way.
right.
Yeah.
You learned the hard way
And
with
then
Kat.
Yeah.
Ariana Grande gets wiped up.
Wiped up. Okay.
Yeah. You need Rock Nation coming out.
Netflix, same
Yeah.
choices. Netflix and chill. Wife. Brett Brown.
I didn't get that. Y'all
You
first.
didn't get it?
Go again.
Eric
But I feel
Spoelstra.
like it's some fucked up shit because she's
It is.
laughing.
It's fucked up. It's fucked up.
Eric Spoelstra, Tom Thibodeau, Brett Brown. Play the game. It's a game.
It's fucked up.
What? It's a game? Wait, first, okay, if it's a game, who you think I'm ghosted?
Brett Brown.
Yeah, Brett Brown.
Yeah, good choice.
Okay. Now you do the next 2. That was the easy one out.
Yeah, Brett, you're out.
I'm a Netflix and chill with Tibbs.
Okay.
I love you both.
Yeah.
You're married
Both
now.
in one.
Yeah.
Both
Okay.
He's
in
the
one.
one.
All right. Last
The weight of my
question.
heart.
When you know, you know.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Go-to karaoke song, easily "Let Me Love You" by Mario.
Oh, no country
That's
in
a good
there.
one. Prove it.
You had this? Oh, like, come on. Yeah, yeah.
Hey.
See that? All right, that's it. Look, I'm not singing no more because,
One little.
baby, you just don't get it. You enjoy being hurt. I know you smell a perfume to make a phone third. You don't believe this story.
Now he's
You
getting
know
into
that
it.
they're all lies. Bad as you are, stick around. I can't go before. Okay. Beyonce don't perform for free. Nah, I'm not doing
Sure.
it either.
Yeah, that was legit.
That's all you're giving
I'll
up
give
for
it up.
free. That's fair.
Thank you.
You're the only one to sing, so I gotta give you props for that. Everybody else chickens out. All right, cut
I'm
the-
singing.
That was good. You're a good sport. So is that what's after basketball? Your own winery or your own
what is after
label? Or
basketball?
that's
Yeah.
what we're.
Truthfully, look, if I could do one thing after basketball, I just want to attempt to score a goal in soccer. That's it. Like legit, I'm not playing.
What happened to football?
Pooey.
Yeah.
Used to at the Olympics. You had your
I
little.
had it, but now this new
Pretty
found love
dangerous.
of soccer,
It's too hazardous.
I need that. So that's what wine, obviously, but if I
Score a
can score a
goal.
goal, you think
Yeah,
I can
that-
score? Pino, you think I can score?
Yeah, I think so. Definitely.
Really?
You're fast, you're athletic, but you're quick.
No. But I'm
We
saying.
talk about soccer, and I bring like basketball players playing soccer, and you're like, no, you wouldn't even be able to do
Most
this.
basketball players,
Oh God.
Look.
most of them are too big. You're not that tall. You're not like
She's lying.
You're not like too tall.
I'm not dribbling in and out of nobody. All
No.
I'm saying is like corner, kick it with that curve stuff y'all
Yeah,
be putting
post
on there.
up, bang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah. You and D are
The only
same.
thing is,
like,
it's
put
not
me
as
center
powerful
forward.
this way.
Yeah.
Who?
D.
Diana thinks the same
Diana,
thing.
she's like, I could play center forward. No
I don't
problem.
want to be center forward.
You don't want
I want to be,
Yeah, what do you want to be?
The wing?
yeah, left wing.
Left wing. Okay, yeah.
That's
Cut
what-
in. Yeah,
Yeah,
Neymar.
yeah.
Neymar, that's your guy.
Oh, Neymar.
Yeah.
There we go.
There we go. There we go. So scoring goals and wine. So there
That's
it
it.
is.
Are we done with this bullshit ass wife on Netflix and chill?
Yeah,
we're
we're
done.
done.
Ghost? Perfect.
Thank you for coming on, man. This is
No,
fun.
hey, appreciate y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all.
It's good to see you. I haven't
I
seen
needed something different. Otherwise, like I get to look at these guys right here.
Just all the
They're just
time.
behind Levin. Have you picked a shoe yet? Is that like a thing? You haven't picked yet?
Mhm.
Man, what is it like when every time you wear some brand, it's just like Jimmy Butler spotted in Puma.
Right,
Jimmy Butler
right.
spotted in Nike.
I'm just
You're
working out
creative.
whatever I can.
All right, fair. Are they
What
sending
you
you
say,
stuff?
Chuck? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, I mean everybody is. I mean
Yeah.
when they can, but
That's nice. That's nice.
That's good. You got options.
All right, they're
I don't
gonna.
know what they're back here talking about. But
What did they say?
they're back here yapping about something.
Always, I'm sure.
All right, man. It's good to see you.
All right, you know it.
Thanks for
Appreciate
coming on.
y'all.
See you
Thank
soon.
you. See y'all later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh wait, we wanted to play the outro music. You want some
yeah.
outro
Oh.
music?
Yeah, go ahead.
All the times that you rain on my parade,
Yo, first of all,
and all the
y'all know how to get me.
and using my name.
Album from
Think you
top to
broke
bottom.
my heart.
It's really good.
No, it is really good.
It's like
From top to
yeah.
bottom.
Not just Bieber.
Rumor has it.
Since you said actual
that
confidence, I figured this is a good fit.
Yeah.
it is.